Alhamdulillah, as you can see, the houses are already being built. But I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, but what if? May Allah protect them from this, but what if there is another flood? Will this house stand strong and sure, or will this house collapse as well? Well, brothers and sisters, being flood resistant is at the forefront of our minds as well. And that's why these homes are being built with a very deep foundation, 2 to 3 feet down, using a non-porous rock that's taken from the seabed. Those rocks are compacted together, and as you can see, it comes up here at about 2 feet, some up to 2 or 3 feet. And on the top, we have a solid cement beam going across that is strengthened with steel rods. And then the floor is built on top of that. So if there is, and may Allah protect them from it, but if there is another flood, this house will stand safe, strong and sure, and the family who reside in it will be safe and will be protected. Another house complete for another family that was devastated by the floods here in Pakistan. Having lost their home, lost their belongings, lost everything. Today is the day when they move in. After 6 months of living in a wheat shack with no protection from the elements, they move into their brand new home with access to water, a toilet of their very own. What a beautiful day this is.
इंजोदान जी शुक्रिया उन्हनि ॾिनो आहे असांखे घर मकान ठाहे ॾिनो आहे उन्हनि खे अलाह गंज ॾींदो उन्हनि खे घणो ॾींदो शुक्रिया असांखे ॾिनो अथनि ॿुधाई असांखे घर मकान न हुयो असांखे का शइ न हुई त असांखे इन्हनि इंजोदान जी शुक्रिया उन्हनि ॾिनो आहे असांखे ॿुधाई
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Our sister Husna was telling us that after 6 months of being homeless, of not having really anywhere to protect them, no safety, no security at all, she couldn't have imagined that she'd get a new home again, let alone a brand new brick home that has its own fresh, clean water supply, that has the dignity of their own toilet. That was an impossibility. But you have made it possible with ILM. ILM are building homes all over Pakistan. Our grand vision, though, is to build a village after village after village with 250, 500 homes, a health centre, a school, a masjid, orchards, water, herb gardens, a place where families can grow for generations upon generations. An incredible sadaqah jariyah. Join us this Ramadan and build a home here with ILM in Pakistan.